Today I am discuss about the topic transportation problem. Transportation problem in special case of linear programming problem is transportation problem where the objective function is to minimize the cost of distributing a product from a number of source a number of destination while satisfying both the supply limits and the demand requirements. The concept is one problem the sources and number of destination will satisfying both the supply limits and the demand requirements. That's the main concept for transportation problem. One problem, suppose a manufacturing company owns three factory source and distribute its products to five different retail agency destination. Following table shows the capacity of three factories, the quantity of products required by the various retail agencies and the cost of shipping one unit of the product from each of three factories to each of the five retail agency. Factories 1 2 3, retail agency 1 2 3 4 5, capacity requirement 100 60 50 50 40 300. Usually the above table is referred as transportation table which provides the basic information regarding the transportation problem. The quantities inside the table are known as transportation cost per unit of product. The capacity of the factories 1 2 3 is 50, 100 and 150 respectively. The requirement of the retail agency 1 2 3 4 5 is 100 60 50 50 and 40 respectively. Okay, this problem x double one is equal to amount to be transported from factory 1, x 1 2 is equal to amount to be transported factory 1 to retail agency 2, etc. x35 is equal to amount to be transported from factory 3 to retail agency 5. Then minimize C1 on x1 plus C12 x12 plus etc. C35 x35 etc. x34 plus x35 is equal to A3, x33 is equal to B3 etc. x11 comma x2 12 x35 greater than equal to 0. Thus the problem has 8 constants and 15 variables, so it is not possible to solve such a problem using simplex method. This is the reason for the need of special computational procedure to solve transportation problem. Next one is transportation algorithm. The steps of the transportation algorithm are exact parallels of the simplex algorithm. First one is step 1, the determine the static basic feasible solution using any one of the following three methods. First one is northwest corner method, second one is least cost method, third one is Vogel's approximation method. Step 2, determine the optimal feasible solution, follow the Modi method. Modi method means UV method. In northwest corner method, step 1 is allocate much possible selected cell and adjust associated. Step 2, cross out the column with zero supply or demand, indicate that further assignment can be made that row. If both row and columns becomes zero simultaneously, cross out one of them only. Step 3, if exactly one row is left crossed out, then stop. Otherwise, move to the cell to the right column can just cross out one below cross out. One problem factor is requirement. First you capacity, the left hand side is requirement, right hand side is capacity 10 50, the low value is 10, the corresponding the column is cross out. Then these are the methods to solve the problem. To procedure for northwest corner method, the arrow shows the order in which allocated bolded amount the generated. The Starling solution is given below. X11 equal to 50, x21 equal to 50, x22 is equal to 50, x32 is equal to 10, x33 is equal to 50, x34 is equal to 50, x35 is equal to 40. The corresponding transportation cost is 50 into 1 plus 50 into 24 plus 50 into 12 plus 10 into 33 plus 50 into 1 plus 50 into 23 plus 40 into 26. That is equal to 4420. Same model from number 2. Requirement is 80, 90, 110, 220, 160, 150, 190. That is equal to 500. Same procedure. The final answer is 23110. Okay, thank you.